Feeling sluggish, catching every cold, or looking for a natural immune boost? You are in the right place. Today on Greener Channel, we are sharing a delicious, nutrient-packed immune boosting recipe, a smoothie bowl and superfood toast combo designed to strengthen your immune system naturally. These healthy food for immunity are backed by science, easy to make and taste amazing. Before we do that, take a few seconds to like the video and subscribe to the channel. First off, did you know up to 70% of your immune system lives in your gut? That's right. What you eat can make or break your body's defense. This recipe includes foods rich in vitamin C for white blood cell production, zinc for wound healing and cell communication, antioxidants to combat inflammation, probiotics to feed your gut. And yes, it all tastes insanely good. Let's start with our immune boosting smoothie bowl. The ingredients you need for this are 1 cup frozen berries, strawberries or blueberries, packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. 1 small banana adds potassium and natural sweetness. 1 cup Greek yogurt for protein and probiotics. Half tablespoon of turmeric powder with healing curcumin. 1 tablespoon honey for antibacterial benefits. Half cup unsweetened almond milk, which provide calcium and vitamin E. And this is how you go about making it. Blend all until creamy, let's say for about 30 seconds. Pour into a bowl. Top with sliced kiwi, pumpkin seeds, and chia seeds, which provide omega-3s. Why it works. This bowl is a powerhouse of vitamin C, zinc, probiotics, and antioxidants, the 4 pillars of natural immune support. Next up, our crunchy, colorful superfood immunity toast. These are the ingredients you need to make this. Whole grain toast. This provides fiber for gut health. Half avocado. This provides healthy fat and vitamin E. A handful cherry tomatoes. This will give you more vitamin C. Drizzle extra virgin olive oil for antioxidants, of course. Sprinkle pumpkin seeds for zinc boost. Hint of garlic powder for immune supporting allicin. And this is how you make it. Toast bread, mashed avocado, spread it on toast. Toast with half tomatoes, olive oil, garlic, seeds. Why it works? The combo of vitamin E, healthy fats, fiber, and zinc helps your body absorb nutrients and defend against infection. Time to dig in. This combo tastes fresh, creamy, crunchy, and more importantly, it fuels your immune system. Bonus perks you will notice: better digestion, more energy, fewer cravings for junk food. Need an extra shade? Make your ginger and lemon honey tea, a soothing warm drink perfect for evenings or sniffles. This is the recipe. 1-inch fresh ginger, thinly sliced. Drizzle of half a lemon. 1 tablespoon of raw honey. 1 cup hot water. Why it works. Ginger packs anti-inflammatory and antioxidant punch. Lemon delivers vitamin C and also helps alkalize. Honey soothes the throat and fights bacteria. Try it nightly. Immune boosting tea that comforts and defends. Want to stay on track all week? Here are smart meal prep tips. Pre-portion smoothie packs such as berries, turmeric, seeds into freezer bags. Toast topping kits. Combine avocado mash, seeds and garlic in jars. Pre-make tea blend. Keep ginger and lemon mix in jars to pour and brew. These meal prep ideas save time while keeping your immune system fueled daily. Craving something crunchy later? Swap chips for homemade hummus with veggie sticks. Hummus, chickpeas, which gives you fiber and protein. Tahini will give you healthy fat and selenium plus olive oil. Veggies such as carrots, cucumbers, bell peppers will give you vitamin C and antioxidants. It's a healthy snack for immune support. Perfect anytime. Dip that satisfies and nourishes. Shopping for this immune boosting menu, add to cart frozen berries, banana, Greek yogurt, turmeric, honey, almond milk, whole grain bread, avocado, cherry tomatoes, olive oil, pumpkin seeds, garlic powder, ginger, lemons, raw honey, chickpeas, tahini, fresh veggies. You now have your complete immune boosting foods grocery list. Here's what makes this food scientifically effective. Vitamin C boosts white blood cells to fight infection. Zinc is essential for immune cell creation and healing. Probiotics feed gut bacteria to support 70% of immunity. Antioxidants reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. You are not just eating, you are defending your health meal by meal. That is our immune boosting kit. Smoothie bowl, superfood toast, tea, snack, meal prep and science behind it. Here is a fair challenge. Try it for 7 days. Notice energy flow, fewer cravings, no colds. Share your results in the comments. We'll cheer you on. Thousands have tried this recipe. Comment below and let us know how you feel after a week of eating this. Want more immune system recipes, detox tips, and easy wellness ideas? Like this video, subscribe and tap the bell. Share your favorite immunity food in the comments. Stay healthy, stay strong. Cheers to a stronger you. Here's to your strongest, healthier self naturally.